BMW revealed the new M3 CS. Underneath the bonnet there is a 550 horsepower 6-cylinder inline engine that is paired with an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission and the M xDrive intelligent all-wheel drive system. These combine to produce a 0 to 100 km/h time of 3.4 seconds. The new M3 CS will be built in a limited run at BMW Group Plant Munich from March 2023, with its phased launch getting underway the same month. The M setup menu lets the driver switch from the default 4-wheel drive setting to 4-wheel drive sport mode, which directs an even greater proportion of the engine's torque to the rear wheels. Drivers can also switch off the DSC system altogether and engage 2-wheel drive mode. By sending drive power solely to the rear wheels and suppressing any intervention from the control systems to stabilize the vehicle, the settings engages skilled drivers in the driving experience to an even more intense degree. Visually, the car looks very aggressive with a series of individual design features. Tell me in the comments, how do you like it?